DALATUNES. In the age of the internet, we can access music and videos from anywhere in the world with the click of a mouse. It's amazing, but something about this interconnection worried Gani Toksanbayev and Rashida Tilivaldieva. If people could so easily find music from other countries, would they forget about their native Kazakhstan? Kazakhstan has a long tradition of beautiful music. From the Akin singers of old, through the rock music of Kasa to the pop of Keshu. Music is part of Kazakh culture, and Gani and Rashida couldn't sit by and watch it fade away. So they decided to use the internet themselves. And in 2014, they created the ultimate Kazakh music site, DALATUNES. DALATUNES has it all. It covers music from the 7th century to the present day, with videos, lyrics, and chords. There are also detailed video lessons for people who want to learn how to play the guitar or the dombra themselves. There are reviews of soundtracks, biographies of famous musicians, and interviews with musicians such as DJ Faleon. DALATUNES even has an online shop where visitors can purchase traditional instruments and albums. You can also join to find out about music events around Kazakhstan. DALATUNES is proving to be a popular site. The company now has their own offices in Almaty, which are open to the public from 9 a.m. till 6 p.m. Monday to Friday. They are also active on social media and have their own radio station. In fact, the DALATUNES website is opening the world of Kazakh music up to a whole new audience. The site is available in Russian and English too, so people from all over the world can enjoy the music of Kazakhstan.